Hi friends, so today we are at the Shankaracharya Samadhi Temple at Nirmal, Vasai. Adi Shankaracharya had visited Nirmal due to the rise of Buddhism. He wanted to revive Vedic Dharma and for which he had appeared at Nirmal. Post which the fifth Shankaracharya of Puri, he had attained Samadhi, Mahasamadhi at Nirmal at the hillock where today the temple stands. The temple has all the major Hindu gods and goddesses, right from Ganeshji to Lord Shiva to Lord Kartikeya. It has Lord Vishnu, it's Garuda, Lord Parashurama, Lord Dattatreya, Lord Rama, Lakshmana, Sitaji, Hanumanji. It's got a very beautiful structure, got a haveli feel, a courtyardish feel about it, which is quite unique in a way. This temple also has Kamadeva as one of the gods that can be worshipped. You can see Sita Mata, Ramla, Lakshmana, and Hanumanji. Only Kartikeya is not to be. It's not covered. It's kept covered because the belief is that only the men can watch him, or can be seen because he is brahmachari. That's the Adi Shankaracharya. That is the fifth Shankaracharya Samadhi point. It's quite peaceful here. We've had a beautiful darshan. This temple also has another Shivalinga temple just outside. There's a main temple, which the locals here believe that the Pandavas, while on their exile, did come to this place called Nirmal, and they had also worshipped the Shivalinga. So I'm going to show you that Shivalinga too. So during Shivaratri, this particular place is completely jam-packed. You will find a lot of devotees coming in here. All in all, a fantastically beautiful place. With a lot of peace and quiet here. We have a beautiful darshan of the Lord. Har Har Mahadeva. Jai Bholenath. Thank you for watching.